Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Joe Fan coming at you with a new video. Denon Prime has just came out with a 1.3.3, which allows you to connect to Serato. So now Serato also has an update as well. I'm gonna give my quick thoughts of how I feel about this, since I was using 1.4, so now I really don't got the title features. But right now, this is still my normal use. Okay, so this is how you're going to install the software. First, you want to go to Serato.com. Make sure you find the download that you're going to need. Scroll through, you'll find the Serato, the new version, which is now version 2.3.1. So you want to download that. After you download the Serato, you're obviously going to want to go back and download the update. You can get the link, basically then I'll just post a video about this too, so you can get the direct link right there. You'll see it's the 1.3.3. You download it, you basically run through the whole system just like you would when you installed it originally. And then after you originally install it, you go through the process, it'll turn you on. And that's once you have your access, you'll see on the Prime screen, it'll say 1.3.3. It won't say the beta version no more, which kind of stinks for me. And then you will open up Serato and you will be able to connect your Prime to your Serato DJ. But now if I want to connect it to the Serato, I have to hold down view, go to source, connect to a computer just like how you would on any other device. Or when you connected your computer to the Prime engine to update your music, and then it automatically switches right to the Serato program. So you install the new Serato program. As you can see, it looks really different now. You only see the tracks right here and your lists. So the worst part about this is you can still touchscreen to go to your crates, but you can't touchscreen anything else. You have to use the knob. So I have to use the knob to go through the crates that I have on Serato. I just uploaded these two really quick and I can have them. So if I want to go through my pop records, I can. And look at that, I'm already issuing the first lag of it. Wow. So you already first kind of delay I'm having, as you just seen live right there, after I installed it. But I can go into my pop crates. I don't know, right now as it's selected, it doesn't really want to read it for some reason. I don't know why. So there's already a flaw right there. I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, usually you go into your crates. I had it uploaded before. And once you select the crate, you can still see your songs, but you only see this, so you can't really control your waveforms or anything. You could see the pitch goes up and down with it, at least in the meantime. And you can see that changed to Serato. No longer has my logo there. Also, when I uploaded a song from Tidal off of Serato, it shows the actual logo of the song. So I guess, yeah, that's cool, but your logo is gone when you're connected to this mode. I could scroll through here for my songs, open this wider. I can't touch it, so it stings. For some reason, it shows nothing for some reason. Oh, there's my songs, I guess. And I can scroll through this way. Here, scroll, boom. I don't know why it keeps jumping to that screen. So I guess there. And then there's the songs up here for those two crates. So that's already kind of buggy, an issue that I already noticed. So I really don't feel it, but you're not really using this to control your music anyway. You're basically using this thing as a controller. The only good thing about having Serato though and using it as a controller, at least you're getting the right BPMs. That's the only thing I noticed so far, is that, hey, I get to use my BPMs that are actually analyzed right through Serato. So that's the only plus for me. I could still jump into Serato and use all the functions as well. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on Serato once I have something connected. You can see on the screen, I can go through my songs right here this way, just like how you would on any Serato. If you have Tidal with it, you could still search for songs. don't know, just some Kaggle song, Hidden Shotgun, which I threw up on here. It'll load the same way. Basically, once you hit play on the Denon Prime, you'll notice it'll start basically working. So as you can see, it still works the same exact way as you would. You still got your cue points stayed up. Like I said, the only thing I like about it is, hey, my BPMs are the same. What I have noticed is sometimes when I bounce around between, it bounces automatically from vertical to horizontal extended. I noticed that it just kind of switches over randomly. I really don't know what kind of that's all about. But when you have it set, supposedly to start playing, when you play the next song off of Denon, still works the same way. So you're basically just in controller mode. You're not going to use your controller really to look up songs because you can't search your songs on the Prime. You can't basically see the waveforms. You can only really see the time and a little bit of the bottom length. Oh, besides that, you really can't do much. You can technically mix the effects though, so you can double layer your effects still from, I guess, the onboard Prime with the effects you can install it on here. So it gives you a little bit more effects play. I guess that's kind of cool. But really, from what I've seen, it's still kind of buggy. I mean, it's there, it's pretty responsive, but still, to me, feels a little latency, a little buggy. I'd rather deal with a 1.4 version and just have everything right there in the spot. Your internal hard drive is now, I believe you can still view it through when you go to your files. And you can see that's right there, it's Prime. Engine library, and it shows it right there. Granted, I don't know if it's going to show up on crates or anything. If you got a slower computer, that could slow it down. I mean, I really wouldn't trust it because it just shows the title of it. Some information. You can't really even do the internal. You're basically going what you already have off of Serato and your playlist there. I don't know how I feel about this. It's very laggy, like very laggy. I don't know if that's just from the screen recorder and me screen recording the screen, or it's just really choppy. I don't know how I feel about this, so I'm probably gonna go back to the beta version, which I had no issues with. So this is for Serato users. If you guys like it, if you think this is for you, if you think you really need to do this, then yeah, I guess you guys might as well do this. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Are you going to connect your Denon Prime to the Serato and use a control motor, which people have been looking forward to a long time? Or are you going to stick to what it was, either on the 1.3.2 or stick with the beta 1.4? Me personally, I think I'm going to go back to the beta. I'm seeing latencies. Like I said, I don't know if that was just from screen capture of Serato or if it was just the device itself. Really not too sure. I don't like really how it looks. The only beneficial that I get out of this is that my BPMs are correct. So I get to analyze through Serato, I get a better BPM read. That's the only reason why I think I like it the most. Otherwise, for me, it's kind of pointless to use. It takes away all the features that Denon Prime 4 has to offer. So for me, Serato having it is really not a plus for me, and they should have just waited to include that when they released the whole 1.4. That's when they technically should have released the Serato version of this. So, hope you guys see you in the next one. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. So all my DJs, keep on spinning. All my photographers, keep on shooting. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.